This is the Berenstain Bears Sleepy Time book. It was getting dark in bear country. Creatures everywhere were going to bed. Deer in the woods, squirrels in the trees, birds in their nests, and bees in their hives. It was bedtime at Farmer Ben's farm. Sheep lay in the pasture, hens fluffed up in the henhouse, the horse and cow dozed in the barn, ducks and geese put their heads under their wings. Inside their snug treehouse, the bear family was sleepy too. Papa dozed, Mama's head nodded, Brother's eyes were closing, Sister's head tilted to one side, Honey was asleep on the floor. Mama stretched and yawned. "I'm so sleepy," she said. "Come on, everyone, it's time for bed." Papa, Brother, Sister, and Honey yawned and stretched too. "First, we need to straighten things up," said Mama. They turned off the TV and put their things away. Then they all trudged upstairs to get ready for bed. Mama and Papa helped the cubs get undressed and into the bathtub. Papa poured in bubble bath. Mama brought them tub toys. The cubs had fun playing in all those bubbles. Papa and Mama helped the cubs dry off with big fuzzy towels. They put on bathrobes and brushed their teeth. They brushed and brushed and brushed. Now it was story time. The cubs put on their pajamas and sat on Papa's lap as Mama watched. Papa read the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. It was a little scary. They hoped no little girls showed up at their house. The cubs knelt to say their prayers. "Good night, my dears," said Mama and Papa, tucking them in and kissing them good night. They turned out the light and tiptoed from the room. The cubs lay in the sleepy darkness. Outside, crickets chirped, an owl hooted, and the stars twinkled. Slowly, the cubs' eyes closed, and they fell fast asleep. Good night, sweet dreams!